Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Meet the Meat with a new topic. Unit 1. Topic -3. Science of Plants. MCQs on Science of Plants for NEET and EAMCET. 1 questions with answer choices. The study of plants is known as A. Zoology, B. Botany, C. Anatomy, D. Ecology. The branch of botany that deals with the classification of plants is A. Physiology, B. Taxonomy, C. Genetics, D. Ecology. The father of botany is A. Theophrastus, B. Aristotle, C. Linnaeus, D. Mendel. The study of plant diseases is called A. Plant physiology, B. Phytopathology, C. Agronomy, D. Ecology. The science that deals with the naming, classification, and identification of plants is A. Morphology, B. Taxonomy, C. Anatomy, D. Histology. The branch of botany that studies the internal structure of plants is called A. Morphology, B. Anatomy, C. Histology, D. Physiology. Process of photosynthesis primarily takes place in A. Roots, B. Stems, C. Leaves, D. Flowers. The study of algae is called A. Mycology, B. Phycology, C. Microbiology, D. Virology. Xylem is responsible for transporting A. Water and minerals, B. Food, C. Hormones, D. Oxygen. Phloem is responsible for transporting A. Water, B. Nutrients, C. Food, D. Oxygen. The first scientist to classify plants systematically was A. Darwin, B. Linnaeus, C. Mendel, D. Haeckel. Which pigment is responsible for the green color of plants? A. Xanthophyll, B. Chlorophyll, C. Anthocyanin, D. carotenoid. The main function of stomata is A. Absorption of water, B. Exchange of gases, C. Transport of minerals, D. Protection. Plants that complete their life cycle in 1 year are called A. Biennials, B. Annuals, C. Perennials, D. Epiphytes. The movement of water through a semi-permeable membrane is called A. Diffusion, B. Osmosis, C. Active transport, D. Translocation. Mycology is the study of A. Bacteria, B. Viruses, C. Fungi, D. Algae. Plant hormone responsible for growth is A. Auxin, B. Cytokinin, C. Gibberellin, D. Ethylene. Process by which leaves lose water vapor is called A. Respiration, B. Transpiration, C. Photosynthesis, D. Absorption. The part of the plant that anchors it to the soil is A. Leaves, B. Stems, C. Roots, D. Flowers. The study of fungi is called A. Mycology, B. Phycology, C. Bryology, D. Virology. Which part of the plant conducts photosynthesis? A. Root, B. Stem, C. Leaf, D. Flower. The male reproductive part of a flower is called A. Ovary, B. Pistil, C. Stamen, D. Petal. The female reproductive organ of a flower is A. Stigma, B. Ovary, C. Pistil, D. Anther. Process by which plants make their own food is A. Respiration, B. Digestion, C. Photosynthesis, D. Fermentation, The most abundant plant hormone is A. Cytokinin, B. Auxin, C. Ethylene, D. Gibberellin. 2 correct answers. B. Botany, B. Taxonomy, Theophrastus, B. Phytopathology, B. Taxonomy, B. Anatomy, C. Leaves, B. Phycology, A. Water and minerals, C. Food, B. Linnaeus, B. Chlorophyll, B. Exchange of gases, B. Annuals, B. Osmosis, C. Fungi, A. Auxin, B. Transpiration, C. Roots. In mycology, C. Leaf, C. Stamen, C. Pistil, C. Photosynthesis, B. Auxin. 3 explanations. Botany is the study of plants. Taxonomy classifies organisms based on characteristics. Theophrastus is known as the father of botany. Phytopathology studies plant diseases. Taxonomy is the classification and naming of plants. Anatomy studies internal structures of plants. Photosynthesis occurs mainly in leaves. Phycology is the study of algae. Xylem transports water and minerals. Phloem transports food. Linnaeus developed binomial nomenclature. Chlorophyll is the green pigment in plants. Stomata help in gas exchange. Annuals complete their life cycle in 1 year. Osmosis is the movement of water through membranes. Mycology is the study of fungi. Auxin promotes plant growth. Transpiration is water loss from leaves. Roots anchor plants to soil. Mycology is the study of fungi. Leaves conduct photosynthesis. Stamen is the male reproductive part. Pistil is the female reproductive organ. Photosynthesis is how plants make food using sunlight. Auxin is the most abundant plant hormone.